Happy Easter. Do you want your Easter basket now?
It's my signature Coco!
What else is in there?
And all of my candy! And no Hot Wheels!
Are you sure?
No, there's a blue truck.
Open it up. See what's inside.
I can't open it up. Hello.
Can you get the? It's a hair tie.
A hair tie. Is it my Easter basket?
Can you hold this for a second? Let me just get it right there.
And it's my chocolate bunny.
Look.
It's my man.
He's kissing it on in through the plastic. Alright, it's off. Open everything up. See what's in there.
You need help?
No, I got this.
I got this.
My lamb.
Oh, he knows what we're doing. Hold on. Swebkin's signature lamb.
And what's the other one?
And what's the other one? That sun is so bright.
And my pink fur chicky dog.
Yup.
And it.
And.
My signature cougar.
Cougar.
Yeah. And it's endangered.
It's an endangered signature cougar?
Yeah.
Oh, how about that? What else is in your basket? What color are they?
Yellow.
What color is your basket? Can you see what color your basket is? Go ahead, pull everything out. Pull the basket. I got the bottom. Here, pull the handle on the basket. Grab the handle. Pull. Holy candy! Look at it all. What is? Who is it? It's a Lightning McQueen car.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's better than a Hot Wheels. Awesome. Hey, it's a quacking duck.
It is?
Yep. There you go, buddy. Happy Easter.